session is particularly dedicated to the use case. Recently, I've been talking to many people again or via the webinar. We have recently ran a webinar with recruitments. The feedback is pretty much same that the market, the recruitment process is becoming very tight and people are literally struggling. Right. So how we can go over and still be shine and be different from other people, basically. Right. It's up to you. I will give you the guidance via this video. It's about Salesforce projects. So based on your background, based on your industry experience, you've been working or you've been not been working. As a student, you may have done some projects, or as a professional. It can be moms back to work. It can be a professional who are switching the jobs. Always have one projects you have done. Even the school moms, school fathers, they know the school system. You can use that as your project with Salesforce system. Keep out of the box functionality and keep it clean. All right. So I'm going straight to ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini or Grok kind of AI tools to utilize how to create a use case. So my journey is based on one of my article, which I keep that article in the description of the YouTube, which is number 1, use case, problem statement. Number 2, it will be user story, but don't give too much attention to user story, like I will tell you later. The third one will be implementation, and then the config work. Keep light config work and try to use out of the box functionality as much you can. And the last will be the demo. And your presentation has to be, which I do use Gamma.ai app. It's up to you, whatever you like it. I'm not branding anybody, but it's just a tip for you. Free credits available. You can utilize as much you can. So again, let's go back to in action on my screen, how I created those prompts to get the right document for yourself. And I will show you 2 different documents, 2 different AIs. You can choose whatever you like here. All right. So welcome to Cam's Tech Talk, and we're going to talk about these videos. Again, this is my first video. I might do 4 or 5 different videos in this series, which I will keep updating in the description, so you can go back and play back and learn, because I'm still running those weekly sessions with many different people. That will be always in the evening. I can't do it in the daytime, but yeah, it's all in the evening or maybe Saturday, Sunday. We'll stay in touch. Going straight to my screen now. All right. Okay, welcome back again on my screen, where let's go to my 2 different prompts first. But yeah, I have created this document. If you are new, if you haven't seen this document, please drop me a message on LinkedIn, or drop me a message anywhere. You all have my social media connects after this video. And I am proposing 8 different projects. 8th is, let's delete this one. I don't need it. But anyway, event, client onboarding, complaint management, HR system for employees, query management, university management, school system management, right? I created some temporary prompts like this. You can also upgrade your prompts via ChatGPT or any other platforms to improve the quality of the prompts. And same thing I did with the partner account manager relationship, and same thing I've done with complaint management. I've done with HR management. I've done with query management as well. So lots of prompt I have created for different people, whatever your interest is. But if you have any more idea, please give me the prompt. I will improve that prompt and make a use case. And again, I'm actually making documents for each and every use case, right? So for example, I've created one of the version here. I think the 9 minutes one is the latest one. I'll show you the output, but we'll go back on our AI agents. On our AI agents, it actually has created this for me. It looks amazing. All right. And let's go back to my different window first, and let's open this. Here we go. So instructions to ChatGPT. I've given, this was my prompt. I want you to create a Salesforce use case. The reason I'm using Salesforce, because we all know we have a Salesforce background. I want to keep focus on Salesforce only for this particular, at least my 4 videos, which gonna be 3 more will be coming. So this system should support B2B events, companies, partner, and suppliers. I did some amendment on the supplier side. Then B2C events, individual, maybe contractors as well. Please explain the business problem, who will use this, blah, blah, blah. So obviously you can read this prompt, obviously from my document. If you're not a part of that group, you can't see. If you want to be a part of group, I use Slack, I use LinkedIn, I use multiple channels. We'll obviously get in touch accordingly. But anyway, let's move it. So ChatGPT has created this format for me. If you like mix and match, you can use 2 different people. I will keep both downloads, keep both versions into my OneDrive, which I use to share with everybody. And you guys should be able to download. But again, it's a restricted access. Whoever is talking to me, they can have access to these documents. And now let's have a look. The cloud, cloud, sorry. Yeah. Let's see the output. Cloud is here. Salesforce Event Management. I do correct every line using these AIs. So here we go. That's again my prompt, like a ChatGPT again here, right? So what's gonna happen here? It takes time. So compared to ChatGPT, Cloud is taking time because maybe I'm using free version, but it's up to you how you want to look at into these things. But want to pay for it, pay for it. If you don't want to pay, you can use ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, free, different prompts on different places. All right. So once it's done, it actually created the whole document for me, which I have seen here on the right hand side. See, it's gonna appear the window. I click there, and it actually has designed. It's gonna take some time. Let's give it hourglass. It's still rolling, and all right, look. That's how it has created the document for me. Then I did find some problems in the document, and I did instruct ChatGPT. I keep on saying ChatGPT, but this is Claude. I found this. I love the document approach. My spelling mistake, but I can see there are some solution fields have been mentioned in the document which I never instructed in my other prompt. Yeah, look at here. If I go back to my other prompt here, I did say difference, where is it? So don't give me the solution in this document, as my focus should be use case, which is obviously I want to keep it to the problem statement, not anywhere else. All right. Anyway, still didn't listen for some reason. I instructed again, which I never instructed in my other prompt, and correct the document. Do not provide the solution and keep at use case level and the problem statement level. It has created a new version for me. I've downloaded from here, and obviously then after copy paste. All right, so it's 2 amazing documents I have created based on this. One is obviously ChatGPT based, one is a cloud based. You can use 4 different things basically to do that. And I think that's pretty much it. And again, as I mentioned, you can use any company, like I'm using some funny names, Global Edge Consulting Group. Why does it say Global Edge Consulting Group? This is for professional. This is for, what is it? So company profile, A services providers, financial services. So they actually given some examples of their the business, B2B business when we talk about, because you need to understand the concept of event management, because they are organizing the events for companies. Like if I take an example from London, so we have a London Excel. It's a big, huge place, venue, where companies like Microsoft, Salesforce, I've attended so many Salesforce events there, but there are technology events, robotics events, seeing other industries comes and they do their events over there and they talk about different things. But there are so much. There are lights, there are cabling, there's tables, there are people there, the catering, there is tea, coffee, catering, dive. There's so many things, security as well. So obviously you can't just go in and attend. You need somebody to organize these things. So obviously, so now I'm reading the bullet points, business problem statement, tools and manual process. They have inability inability to distinguish the B2B and B2C because they can't, because there is no way everything is on Excel sheet. I want to manage these things. But think about it. Use case is important because this is going to convert everything into a technical design. Okay, so that's it. Prompt utilization and use case. This is your first step from use case, user story, implementation, implementation and technique. Oh, yeah, implementation, demo, and the last one is PowerPoint. How to present, how to tell your user journey, and that's the key. Every recruiter, hiring manager, they keep coming with it. This is a new trend. Maybe it's 2026. It's going to happen with everybody. So you need to be trained enough on your CV, telling your story to someone what I did. You can't just go, I know how to create a formula field. I know how to create a validation. That's not going to work. Tell us more. What did you do? And tell us in a very specific, organized way so they can understand how can you do this. All right, I'm going to stop sharing now because you know what to do now, what things are going to happen. And that's it. So my first focus is use case. There will be 3 or 4 videos. I will work on it and I will come up with a demo. How to do the demo, I will show you in it. And maybe I will pick case management, or maybe I pick lead management to show you lead and opportunity, basically, to do the demo. And you should watch me, and again watch me. So you get to that level when you play back your demo, you will sound confident. All right. So again, it will be video is available for you. Go ahead and play, work on it. Any questions, drop me on a LinkedIn or anywhere else, whatever social media is easy for you. I'm everywhere and we'll talk about it. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next session. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.